Run along with Tawana.
Good morning, sunshine. Is that your new dance suit?
Mm-hmm.
So we're up and slowly moving, but we are going to our car and headed to the Hoover Dam. Good morning from sunny southern Nevada.
Your weather person?
Yep. The sun is hurting my sunburn. It hurts so bad. That's my own fault. Where did we park? Look, it's all ski.
All right.
500 something.
We are 550 feet down.
We're not underground though. No, sir.
What you see outside the window built inside this tunnel. So this tunnel is actually 50 feet in diameter, 15 meters. This is where you're at, right near that yellow line. Now they dug 4 tunnels, as you saw down here before they dug. 2 right here on the Nevada side, 2 over here on the Arizona side. How did they get the water through the tunnels? Well, while they were digging and blasting these tunnels, they were loading that rock and dirt into dump trucks. Those dump trucks were coming out, and they were dumping it right here into the river, forming dams called coffer dams. Now the upper coffer dam pushed the water through the tunnels and around the work site. The upper coffer dam was 98 feet tall, 29 meters in height. The lower coffer dam kept the water from backing back in. Sorry?
Good idea, wise choice. Good to see you.
You see a rust-colored object that's embedded in the floor. That is our in-house generator called the Pelton water wheel. We have 2 Peltons, one on each side, and they supply the power we use here at this facility. This Pelton is going under, they are doing maintenance on it at this time. The one in Arizona is capable of running the entire facility. Our commercial generator is 7 stories tall. You're only seeing the upper half. Each commercial generator can produce 130 megawatts. That's enough power for about 75,000 homes. The entire plant can produce power for over 1 million homes. Which generators are operating? Only the generators that have the light lit on top. Those generators are online. You can imagine parts and equipment to maintain these generators. Very heavy. How do we move them around? If you look off to my left, all the way down halfway by the power plant, you're going to see 2 large green bridge cranes. The closest one to us displays the American flag. Now these cranes are original from construction. They are from the 30s. Each crane by itself lifts 300 tons. We can connect both cranes together, making what we call a super crane, and that makes their lifting capacity over 600 tons. Now before we leave today, where is the dam? Well, the dam is actually right off to my right, behind most of you on this front railing. Right behind that concrete wall is the dam. How much concrete is separating you from Lake Mead right now? 450 feet of concrete. That's 137 meters. Thickest part of the dam, though, is at its base, 660 feet thick, 201 meters. Yes, 90 days.
Something like that.
Now, just the moment we're going to walk down this tunnel, we're going to look out that air vent. Keep in mind that tunnel's made for people that are my height. See that tunnel is 6 foot tall. If you're taller than about 6 foot, you got the duck. Of course, that's no problem. Just want to follow me right down this tunnel, you will, please?
This is one of the times that my height helps me. You're right. Yeah. Yeah.
That's one of those. Sure.
Normally, when I'm on the football field, I'm the
That's one of
smallest
those-
person there. Yeah.
That's one of those great.
Yeah.
That you can see all the way down.
Up there, look out, take a few pictures. And then when you're done, go back down to the end of the tunnel. Yeah.
Cracks or whatever.
Correct, exactly. It's crazy. Exactly. Certainly did. Watch your step. What they didn't think of is an air conditioning for down here.
Yeah.
Coming down. I did it.
I hate those things.
So take a look at this. This is where they're inspecting the cracks right here. There's the crack. Block. 0 plus 30 means 30 feet from again a former concrete block. You fill that one former concrete block up, you go over something else kind of built like a giant Lego set. Interlocking blocks of concrete, tiny house built. You see these tunnels, you notice how these tunnels are curved. Well, that's red airflow. This tunnel's made to be aerodynamic. in the middle of the desert. And mountains ahead.
Where are you? Is that your little cave?
Mm-hmm. Mine. It's no one else's. This is mine.
All yours?
Uh-huh. And that's mine. That's mine. That's mine. That shrub's mine. That rock's mine. And the tree out here is mine. It's all mine.
All yours? That towel? Is that yours?
No, that's not mine. That's
Oh.
dirty.
Oh. Okay.
I don't like to nice stuff. That sounds good.
Keep driving? Yeah. Find any bears? Lizards?
I found a shrub.
Oh. Good old desert shrub. Ow.
You alright?
Yep. Rocks be so pretty. So gorgeous. That looks a little bit like it, but smaller. Like that'd be the trunk where you are right now.